Hi guys, I have a really important message for you. I want to discuss the exam tips for the Advanced Tax ACCA paper for the forthcoming diet. Now, ACCA Advanced Tax, as you all know, is an advisory paper, and therefore it's really important that you not only focus on the numbers, but also on the narrative. The 35-mark question on advanced tax will ask you to prepare a report on behalf of a client. It is really important that when you prepare the report with supporting calculations as requested by your examiner. So it's really vital that you read the case carefully and assign enough time not only on the calculation element, but also on the narrative element. That is vital. Nice presentations, nice subheadings, narrative, and calculations. Now, in terms of the key areas of the syllabus, the ATX paper can be divided into 3 critical areas. Number 1, the tax payable by companies resident for tax in the United Kingdom, and within the corporation tax, there are some significant areas such as the implications of making research and development expenditure for companies that buy and sell intangible assets. That's important. Number 3, critically, how does a company expand its operations overseas? What are the tax implications of setting up a branch overseas versus a subsidiary overseas? Most importantly, how does a company use up its trading losses itself and within a qualifying group? That is vital. The second important area for advanced tax is personal taxes, and personal taxes are divided into capital gains tax, inheritance tax. So you must be able to provide CGT and IHT advice when an individual decides to give a gift to another individual or to a trust. What are the capital gains tax and inheritance tax implications? Really important that you know that in relation to gifts. Even more importantly, moving on to income tax and NIC implications for those who run businesses. So if you're a self-employed or a partner in an unincorporated business, what are all the various income tax and NIC, national insurance implications for those businesses? And lastly, owner-managed businesses. If you are a shareholder of a owner-managed business, that particular business will either be an unincorporated business or quite possibly a close company. So you do need to know all the rules associated with being a shareholder in a close company. What happens when the company gives you a loan? What happens if you receive a benefit as a shareholder in a close company? And what happens if your close company qualifies as a personal service company? These are really important areas. I want you to focus on them, and I want to wish you all the very best of luck in the ATX exam.